Hello everyone, I am Biswajit. Today we discuss some more questions on pair of linear equations into variables, class 10. In my last video, we have discussed 5 questions. Here we will discuss nearly 8 questions if we add these bits. So we start from question number 6. Solve by substitution method. What is substitution method? We have already discussed. So solve by substitution method, question given 1 by 7x plus 1 by 6y is equal to 3. Second equation 1 by 2x minus 1 by 3y equal to 5. So here you see this is not in the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. We have to convert this one to ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So you see, let here take x equal to u and 1 by y equal to b, 1 by x equal to u and 1 by y equal to b. So this equation will be, you see here, it is 1 by 7 into 1 by x plus 1 by 6 into 1 by y is equal to 3. So equation will be 1 by 7 into 1 by x is u. So 1 by 7 into u, it will be u by 7 plus here b by 6 is equal to 3. Now take LCM 42. It will be 6u plus 7b equal to 3. That implies 6u plus 7b is equal to 3 into 126. It is equation 3. Limit equation 3. Here you see 1 by x equal to u. So it will be u by 2 minus b by 3 is equal to 5. That implies take LCM 6. 3u plus minus 2b is equal to 5 equal to 3u minus 2b is equal to 30. Equation 4. We have to solve these two equations in substitution method. Then first we find u, then v, then x and y. You see here, substitution method is what? First you find v in terms of u, then put here. So here you see 7b equal to 126 minus 6u. That implies v equal to 126 minus 6u by 7. Now put the value of v in terms of u in equation 4. This is equation 4. So v is this one. So we write 3u minus 2 into this one. 126 minus 6u by 7 equal to 30. That implies 3u minus, you can take 7 LCM here, 7. It will be 21u minus, multiply 252. 126 minus 252 minus plus 12u equal to 30. That implies 21u plus 12u is 33u minus 252 is equal to 7 into this one, 210. Okay, then 33u is equal to 210 plus 252. If you add, it is 2, 6, it is 4, 462. Then u equal to 462 divided by 33. 11 3 is it is 11 4, 11 2, 42 by 3 equal to 14. It is 14. So here u equal to 14. Okay. Then put the value of u in equation, this one or this one. Here you can put u equal to 14. You put this here. So put the value of u in equation 3. In equation 3. See, equation 3 becomes this one. This is equation 3. From here we get v in terms of u. So we can put here. So it will become 126. V will become v equal to 126 minus 6 into 14 by 7. So 126 minus 84 by 7. It will 2, 4 by 7 equal to 6. The value of v equal to 6, e equal to 14. So what is u? U is 1 by x. So 1 by x, right? 1 by x here, this value is 14. If 1 by x equal 14, u equal to 1 by 14. Clear? Also you can write also here 1 by x equal to u equal to 1 by 14. Then x equal to, sorry, it is 14 only. X equal to 1 by 14. Okay, x equal to 1 by 14, we get the answer right here, you see. Then b equal to 6. B equal to 6, and b is what? B is 1 by y equal to 6. So y equal to 1 by 6. Okay, so y 1 by 6, x 1 by 14. Right answer. 2 is what? 2 into 3u minus b equal to 5ub. And second is 2 into u plus 3v is equal to 5ub. You see here, this is not in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. We have to change this one. So you see it is ub, here u, here v. Similarly, same equation, same type. So first we multiply this one. It is 6u minus 2v equal to 5uv. Okay, here 2u plus 6v equal to 5uv. Now if we divide ub in both sides, so 6u by uv minus 2v by uv equal to 5uv by ub. You see here, u cancel, so 6 by b minus b cancel, 2 by u is equal to 5. Now it becomes like this. Okay, here you can take directly, you can solve it v and u, and v and it is u is equation 3, or you can write it is 2, 1, and this is 2. You see here 2u by uv plus 6v by ub is equal to 5uv by ub. So this will be 2 by v plus 6 by u equal to 5. Now you see here this one, let's take 1 by v equal to x or y, anything you can take. We take y and 1 by u as x. Okay, so this will become 6y minus 2x equal to 5. This will become 2y plus 6x equal to 5. Now solve. You see, substitution method means first find y. 6y equal to 5 plus 2x. So y equal to 5 plus 2x by 6. Now put the value of y in terms of x, x in equation 2, or if you write it, this is equation 4. In equation 4 you can write, otherwise you can write 1 and 2. Okay, you see y, so 2 into y value is 5 plus 2x by 6 plus 6x equal to 5. Now you see, can cancel 3, so it's 3. So 5 plus 2x by 3 plus 6x equal to 5. Now take LCM 3. 5 plus 2x plus 18x equal to 5. That implies 5 plus 20x is equal to 15. 5 plus 20x equal to 15. So 20x equal to 15 minus 5. 20x equal to 10. That implies x equal to 10 by 20 is equal to 1 by 2. If x is 1 by 2, put the value of x. Now put the value of x in equation 3. Put the value of x in equation 3. You see, this one y equal to 5 plus 2 into x value is 1 by 2 divided by 6, cancel. So it is 5 plus 1 by 6, 6 by 6 equal to 1. It is y 1, but x is what? 1 by b equal to y. So b becomes reciprocal of this one, 1 by 1 equal to 1. 1 by u equal to x, x is 1 by 2, so u will be 2 because reciprocal. Take this, so u value is 2, b value equal to 1. Okay. Number 7, solve by elimination method. First question, x plus y by xy equal to 2 and x minus y by xy is equal to 6. So see here, this is not in the form of x plus by plus c equal to 0. So change this one. Now you can write x by xy plus y by xy is equal to 2. That implies, you see here, 1 by y plus 1 by x equal to 2. Similarly, this one is x by xy minus y by xy is equal to 6. हो गया 1 by y minus 1 by x equal to 6. Now we can take, let x 1 by x equal to u and 1 by y equal to v. So this equation becomes v plus u is equal to 2. This one v minus u equal to 6. Now this is equation 1, this is equation 2. Solving equation 1 and 2, you can solve this one. You see, solving equation 1, you can write equation 1 is v plus u equal to 2. Equation 2 is v minus u equal to 6. So now you see, this is equal and sign different. So adding we get, oh, this is elimination method. This one, your 2b is equal to 8. That implies b equal to 8 by 2 is equal to 4. If b equal to 4, you can put here, put the value of b in terms of u, not in terms of u directly. Put the value of b in equation 2 or 1, in equation 2. b is 4, so 4 minus u equal to 6. That implies minus u equal to 6 minus 4, minus u equal to 2. That implies u equal to minus 2. u equal to minus 2, b equal to 4. b is what? 1 by y. So 1 by y equal to 4. That implies y equal to 1 by 4. Similarly here, you see 1 by x equal to minus 2. That implies x equal to minus 1 by 2. The answer x equal to minus 1 by 2 and y is equal to 1 by 4. Okay, write it down. Second question is very important. You see, second question is 1 by 5x plus 1 by 6y is equal to 12. Second equation, 1 by 3x minus 3 by 7y equal to 8. Okay, here you can take 1 by x equal to u, 1 by y equal to b. So this will become 1 by 5 into 1 by x. 1 by 5 into 1 by x. You can write u by 5. It will become u by 5 plus. You see here, this is v by 6 is equal to 12. Similarly, this equation, you can write u by 3 minus 3b by 7 is equal to 8. Take LCM. Here LCM is 30. 36u plus 5b is equal to 12. That implies 6u plus 5v equal to 420. Not 420. It is 12 into 3, 360. Okay. This is equation 1. This is converted into equation 1. You can write here, it is 21 7u minus 9v is equal to 8. That implies 7u minus 9v is equal to 168. Okay, this is equation 2. We have to elimination method. 6 7 LCM is 42. So we can write equation 1 into 7. Okay, so it will be 7. So 42u plus 7 into 5 35b equal to 7 into this one 0, 7 into 6 42 to 4, 7 into 3 21, it is 2520. Now in this one equation 2 into 6 क्या होगा, ये जो u का जो कोफिशिएंट है इक्वल करना है, कोई भी u का हो या v का हो। पहले हम u का कर लिए इक्वेशन, ये जो कोफिशिएंट 42 करना है, तो इसमें क्या मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 6 होगा, तो इट इज़ 42u माइनस 6 इंटू 9 54v इक्वल टू 6 मल्टीप्लाई करना है, तो 6 8 48 4 36 4 0 4 then 10. Okay, 1008. Now subtract minus, it is plus, it is minus, cancel. So this will become 89b is equal to this 2151. That implies v equal to 1512 by 89. If v equal to this one, v is 1 by y, that implies 1 by y equal to 1512 by 89. That implies y equal to 89 by 1512. Okay, b value is this one. Put the value of b in equation 2. Put the value of b in equation 2. You see, this is 7u minus 9 into b. b value is 1512 by 89. Okay, equal to 168. That implies 7u minus, multiply this one, 9 18 1 1 divided by 89 equal to 168. Okay, that implies 18 into 7 23u minus 13608 by 89 equal to 168. That implies 623u minus 13608 equal to 168 into 89. And 89 so 1, it is 941 14952. That implies 623u equal to 14952 plus 13608 13608 6, it is 623u equal to 28560, that is 623. 7 if we got it 7 8 56 7 9 7 4 0 7 8 0. So that is 4080 divided by 89. This is the value of u. So u is what? 1 by x equal to u equal to 1 by x. So 1 by x equal to 4080 by 89. That implies x equal to 89 by 4080. That is the answer. X equal to 89 by 4080 and y equal to 89 by 1512. Okay, the calculation is important. Just write it down. Question number 8. Solve by cross multiplication method. This cross multiplication method, question is 2 by x plus 3 by y equal to 9 by xy. And second equation is 4 by x plus 9 by y equal to 21 by xy. You see. Now you see, this is divided xy, that is x is not in form of x plus by plus c. Change it. So if you multiply xy in both sides, left hand side and right hand side, you see 2 by x into xy plus 3 by y into xy equal 9 by xy into xy. Similarly, second equation, 4 by x into xy plus 9 by y into xy is equal to 21 by xy into xy. Then this is 2y plus 3x equal to 9. This equation becomes 4y plus 9x equal to 21. Now you can solve this one cross multiplication method given. पहले इसको फॉर्मूला लिख दो, x प्लस बी वाई प्लस इक्वल 0, तो 3x प्लस 2y माइनस 9 इक्वल टू 0. इक्वेशन हो जाएगा 9x प्लस 4y माइनस 21 इक्वल टू 0. हियर सी a1 इक्वल टू 3, b1 इक्वल टू 2, c1 इक्वल टू माइनस 9. सिमिलरली a2 here is 9, b2 equal to 4 and c2 equal to minus 21. What is the formula? Formula is x equal to x by b1 to x equal to b1 c2 minus b2 c1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Okay, and y equal to c1 a2 minus c2 a1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Put the value. b1 is what? 2, c2 is minus 21 plus minus b2 4 into c1 minus 9 divided by a1 b2, a1 3, b2 is 4 minus a2 9 into a2 b1 2. Okay, you see here it is minus 42 plus 36 divided by 12 minus 18, that equal to minus 6 by minus 6 equal to 1. Value of x is 1. Here you see c1 a2, c1 minus 9 into a2 9 minus c2 minus 21 into a1 3 divided by a1 by 2 3 into 4 minus 9 into 2, that equal to it is minus 81 plus it is 83 63 divided by 12 minus 18. This is what you see 63 81. So 18 minus 18 by minus 6 equal to 3. The value of y equal to 3. Okay, value of x is 1. This is cross multiplication method. Write it down. Second cross multiplication method, this one, ax plus by equal to a minus b, bx minus ay equal to a plus b. Okay, first we write in the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So you see here ax plus by minus a minus b equal to 0. This equation bx minus ay minus a plus b equal to 0. So we can write here a equal to, this is a, b equal to b and c equal to minus a minus b. Similarly here you can write a equal to, here a equal to b, b equal to minus a and c equal to minus a plus b. It is a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2. Okay, you see formula is x by b1 c2 minus, directly write x equal to b1 c2 minus b2 c1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Okay, then y equal to c1 a2 minus c2 a1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. That is the formula for the value. B1 is what? B. C2 is minus A plus B, multiply. Okay. B1 C2 minus B2 minus A, C1 minus A minus B. Okay. But to multiply this one into this one, change this to minus A plus B. So you can write it here, B minus A. So here you can put B minus A. Okay. Similarly, you can write this one as minus A minus B. Here you also write minus A minus B. It will be easy for you if you open the bracket. Then divided by A1 B2, A1 B2, A1 A, B2 is minus A, minus A2, B1, B1 is B into B. Okay. Similarly, here you see C1 A2, C1 is B minus A, A2, B minus C2, C2 is minus A minus B into A1, A1 is A, divided by A1 B2 minus A2 B1. So you see here, this is minus AB minus B square, multiply minus, minus into minus, plus, minus into minus, plus AB minus A square, clear, divided by minus A square minus B square. That implies got the minus A square minus B square divided by minus A square minus B square equal to 1. This is value of x. Similarly here, this is B square minus AB. This is minus A square minus A square, minus plus A square, minus plus AB. Okay, divided by minus A square minus B square. Now you see, this is A square plus B square divided by minus take common plus B square. Got it? It is minus 1. So y value is minus 1. See? For what value of k? Question number 9. For what value of k, the following system of equations will be inconsistent. Inconsistent means no solution, no real solution. No real solution. So the condition is what? No real solution condition is A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2. Equation given 4x plus 6y equal to 11. 4x plus 6y is equal to 11 and 2x plus ky equal to 7. So what is the condition? This is the condition. So here A1 is 4 and A2 is 2. 4 by 2 is equal to B1 by B2. B1 is 6 and B2 is k. This is not equal to C1 by, not equal to C1 by C2. You can write 11 by 7. Okay. What is the value of k? K means here we can find value of k. We cross multiply. This is 4k equal to 2 into 6. That implies k equal to 2 into 6 by 4, 2 to 3. So value of k is 3. Number 10. Solve. Ax by b minus by a equal to a plus b. Ax by x minus by equal to ab. Solve means in any method you can use. Ax by b minus by a is equal to a plus b. Second equation is ax minus by is equal to 2ab. Okay, any method you can use. You see here, if we take LCM, this will become, this is AB, then AB means a square x LCM minus b square y is equal to a plus b. That implies a square x minus b square y equal to ab into a plus b. Clear? Then you can write here a square x minus b square y is equal to you can write here this one, take left side, minus ab into a plus b equal to 0. Okay, if you again open it, you can find, otherwise you can open it, minus b square y minus a square b minus ab square equal to 0. Then second equation you see, this is ax minus by minus 2ab equal to 0. Now you see, if you use elimination method, solve means no specific method is given. In elimination method, you see, if you equalize the coefficients of x, then what to multiply? Multiply a here. Okay, so equation 1, you can write this is equation 1, equation 2. We write equation 1. Equation 1 is in ax square, a square x minus b square y. Take to the right side, it will be g, a square b plus ab square. Okay, equation 2 into a, equation 2 into a, so it will become a square x minus ab y equal to, take this one right side, plus 2ab, this one plus 2ab, 2a square b. Okay, now subtract minus, it is plus, it is minus. You see, this one ab y plus minus b square y is equal to, this is minus, we can write ab square minus a square b. Okay, then we take common yb or by, if we take by, then it will become a minus b. Here if we take ab, this is b minus a. So b minus a minus b, so by is equal to ab into b minus a divided by a minus b. That equal to, here you can write ab minus, if we take minus common, it will become a minus b by a minus b. Got this, so where answer is ab minus ab. Then y equal to minus ab by b. That is the answer of y. Value of y. Put the value of y. Put the value of y in equation 2. This is equation 2. This value of y minus ab by b. Minus ab by b means this one equal minus a. Clear? Minus ab by b equal to minus a. So here put the value of y in equation 2. Ax minus a, then it will be plus ab equal to minus 2ab equal to 0. That implies ax minus ab equal to 0. That implies ax equal to ab. That implies x equal to ab by a is b. The value of x is b and value of y is minus a. Okay, write it down. So in my next video we will discuss some more questions from this chapter. So friends, watch my videos, practice these questions, keep smiling. Thank you very much.